Hello everyone, welcome to episode 172 of the Building and Public series. Today's a nice and simple episode. I'm just going to show you some softwares that I use when it comes to lead generation and some of the sort of websites I use when it comes to designing templates. Now, bear in mind, these are two new websites and softwares that I've not used yet, and these are basically just my first-hand reviews of them, pretty much. So, what I thought we'd start with in today's episode is the local rank leads tracker. Now, basically, a bit of story behind this. Okay, I had been given some credit to test out the local rank lead search. I think I'd been given 500 credits or something like that. So you can see here I'm signing in with the account that has the credit. And yeah, pretty much you can see here it's pretty simple. You enter in your location. So obviously in my scenario, I'm based in Wales, so I tried Swansea out, and you can see here there's a bunch of different industries that you can try out. So what I done here basically is I had run a search through ChatGPT to see what sort of niches I should go after that can not only but basically not only sort of rely on SEO, but kind of it's just something to promote and get more work. You know what I mean? Because from my perspective with SEO, the way I like to play it is if I can basically get people more money, I can use that to leverage how much they'll pay me over time for a service, you know? And yeah, pretty much you can see here, I'm doing things like putting in the industry, so putting in electrician, putting in whether a phone is required or email is required. You can see I'm looking for 25 leads roughly, and it's really simple. It's quite a cool service. You put in the quantity that you want, you unlock the leads, and it's literally as simple as that. You can see there it does a search, and you can see out of the 25 results there were 5 emails. So that gives me enough to say, right, okay, I can go after those 5 emails and I can get in touch with them directly. You can see here I'm trying different industries as well. I'm trying chiropractors in Cardiff. You can see there we got 9 emails out of the results. One thing I will say about the lead search at the moment, and you'll see it a bit later on. And again, this is nothing on the local rank, guys, because this is again more of a beta service at the moment. They don't have a lot of specific industries. So, like for example, if you want to go after like solar panel installers or people in like construction or something like that, you probably won't find them in here yet because you can see here I'm trying stuff. So you can get roofing contractors, which is nice and simple, but you'll see if I just do, so you can see there, those are the 3 main searches that I was looking at and everything. But you'll notice I'll try things like resin driveways as an example, just to see if it would show up, right? You can see there I'm trying security as well. CCTV installers and security installers for some reason don't show up. Neither do resin driveways, funny enough. But yeah, basically this is the only sort of knack I've got on it at the moment, is that those type of industries don't exist in here yet. Obviously, that will change before long. It wouldn't surprise me if that is something that gets introduced. But yeah, you can see here I'm trying a bunch of different ones, but no dice at the moment with local rank. But honestly, local rank as a whole, that lead stuff, it's going to help massively. The fact that you can get the emails and everything from that, you could do quite a lot. Obviously, again, this is a paid service. It's not something that's going to be given out to everybody. So in that respect, it's pretty well priced as well. And yeah, that's pretty much local rank from that side. That's sort of what we're pushing from that perspective. And then yeah, sort of going forward, what I wanted to talk about as well is how I'm going to be templating websites going forward. So there's this one site here that I'm going to look into, and it's a website called Nikolai's Template Club. And basically, one of the reasons why I wanted to jump onto this site is because when you look at their templates, they're a lot, they're very modern and they're very interactive, you know. So I went ahead and I purchased a lifetime deal with them to basically try and rebuild this website, but with our own spin on it. And I think with the Nikolai website, we're going to do exactly that. And yeah, pretty much all you can see here is us downloading and installing templates. Nothing insane, nothing crazy, but we're going to be testing these out today, and we're going to see exactly how they function and work. But yeah, to be honest with you, that's all we've really got at the moment. Nothing mental, nothing crazy. But yeah, our plan by the end of today is to have some templates ready with those designs and just to see how people like the look of them. But yeah, pretty much, guys, that's everything from me. Nice and simple. Hope you're all keeping well, and I'll see you tomorrow for episode 173. Cheers. Bye for now.